master the basics of system functionality. Ensuring your Minerva Single-Man pushback system is paired and ready for use. Step 1. System Overview. This system video applies to the following Minerva variants: Momentary, Ajax, and Vox. Step 2. Power on and pairing check. Turn the headset and air interface on. If the LEDs are showing the correct pairing flash, they are paired and ready to use. If not, please refer to the system pairing instructions. Step 3. Microphone and audio check. For the Minerva Single-Man system, audio tests cannot be fully verified without physically connecting to an aircraft intercom. If the pilot cannot be heard and you cannot hear yourself, there are 3 likely points of failure. 1. The headset. 2. The air interface. Or 3. The air interface cable. Check each item in turn to confirm the audio path. Step 4. Range test. The system should maintain a stable connection for up to 150 meters line of sight. Ensure there are no physical objects, such as walls, vehicles, or dips in the ground between the headset and the air interface. The paired flashing sequence should remain stable throughout this test.